Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WebP conversion with Cloudflare for better CWV, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Choose the website you want to configure. Navigate to the speed section in the dashboard. Click on the Optimization tab. Look for the WebP option. Toggle the WebP conversion setting to on. Cloudflare will now automatically convert compatible images to WebP format. Check your website to ensure that images are loading in WebP format. Use a tool like Google PageSpeed Insights to verify improved core web vitals. Monitor site performance over the next few days. If necessary, adjust your image formats and sizes for optimal results. Repeat the testing process to ensure consistent performance improvements. Ensure your cache settings are appropriately configured for faster loading times. Consider enabling auto-minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Review user feedback to identify any image display issues. Make sure to stay informed about Cloudflare updates and best practices. Regularly check performance metrics to maintain optimal site efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.